Every night, the streetlight outside my apartment flickered like a dying firefly, annoying, but easy to ignore. Last night, though, the flickers grew sharp and rhythmic, and I realized they were spelling something in Morse code. Curiosity kept me watching until the message spelled out, "Look behind you." My heart hammered as I glanced at my window's reflection, searching for a trick of the light. Instead, I saw a pale face hovering just behind my shoulder, its mouth shaped in a silent scream. I spun around, but nothing was there, and now the streetlight never flickers.